Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm back in it, back at it, coming to you with an exclusive review on an awesome Samsung product. Just uploaded a video on the Samsung Active Watch. Awesome watch. Check it out. It's on the channel. Check it out. Like, subscribe, share it, and hopefully these videos aid you in your buying decision. That's my only goal, is to just try to give you a little insight on the product before you go out there and invest your money into the product. So with that being said, check out the Samsung Active Watch. Awesome watch. I actually like it a whole lot. I'd rather have the Active Watch because of its slim size and not all bulky. I can fall asleep with it and it doesn't impede my sleep. But right now what we're here to talk about is the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Just got these babies in. Awesome. All I can say is I've read a lot about them, and I love the fact that they actually have passive features where you can enable and disable outside ambient sound. You can allow it to come in or go out, which means you can wear your headphones and be a lot more safer rather than not being able to hear what's going on around you in your environment. So excuse me for a moment. I'm back. My kids wanted to come and see what daddy doing. So you're gonna hear a little noise and stuff.
Hey, make it small.
Okay. Daddy gonna do this video first, okay? All right. Now your boy is back, okay? So as you can see here, the Galaxy Buds. Awesome looking buds. They remind me of my what are they called? I can't even remember what they called. Braggy Buds, my Braggy wireless buds. If you look back in the history, you'll see those. I did a review on those buds, awesome buds. And I've been waiting to get some more like that. And these Samsung buds are actually pretty nice because they're small like that. And turn it down, Chance. Turn it down a little bit. All right. These are small, and they remind me a lot of them, being that they're black. They're black, and the case is actually smaller. And can you turn that down? Oh my gosh. But yeah, the case is actually smaller. It's easier to get around with. And like I said, it has passive sound, which will allow you to allow ambient sound in. And haven't had the opportunity to pair these up and listen to them. I'll probably follow up with you with a 1 week review, just letting you know what I think about them after owning these things for about a week. Let's see what's inside of the box here. All right, so inside of the box, you get you some, let's just dump it all out. Okay, this is what we get in the box. We get our charging cable, USB-C cable. Of course, you have your earbuds and you have your case for your buds. You also get this little, it goes around the outer edge of your earbuds, see? Currently right now we have this on there, but if you want to take this off, you could easily pop this one on there, and that'll get rid of this little piece right here, which fits securely in your ear. So I'm going to try these for a while because I think these will work out pretty good. It also comes with another size. You can get looks like there's a smaller size that goes around the outer edge of the earbuds. So you have two outer rings that has the little indentation that fits inside of your ear. And then you have two pair of outer rings that doesn't have the little indentation that goes inside of your ear. So I'm assuming this will be for someone that wants to get that earbud a little deeper in the ear possibly, or just don't want to feel that hardness from this outer ring sitting in that one spot. And you also have some replaceable earbud tips. Like you got some smalls and you have some larges, and you currently have your mediums already on the earbuds. So very simple. Not a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo. You ain't got to worry about getting all that paperwork like you used to. I mean, you got your little book right there if you want to pop that out and check it out. You see it right there? little Samsung book. But I don't need to read that. Do you need to read that? I thought so. All right, so I'm gonna put these babies on the charger. We're gonna let them get a nice charge on them, and I'll come back to you guys probably here soon, and I'll let you know what I think about these earbuds. I'm gonna wear them tonight and everything, and I'm gonna give them a try, give them a shot, give them a fair shot. These are designed by AKG, sound by AKG, which is Samsung's Samsung's proprietary maker for their quality headphones. Put in the description, AKG. I could easily Google it, but hey, throw it in the comment section down below. AKG, what AKG stand for? I don't know. It might be on the box right here, as a matter of fact. Let's read the box here. Now, first of all, these do have 6 hours of playtime. Sound by AKG. Android iOS compatible, used with a smartphone and tablet running Android 5 or higher and RAM 1.5 gigabyte above. Seamless Bluetooth connect and ambient sound mode, only available for Android. So in order to have that feature of ambient sound, you have to have an Android device. Voice command and Siri is available for Android and iOS users. All right, so one great thing about these, let's turn that down a little bit, buddy.
No.
Yeah. One great thing about these is that they are made by Samsung, meaning they're going to be a lot better compatible with your Samsung devices. Needless to say, if you're going to buy these, more than likely have a Samsung device, and they might just work out better for you. Chance. Stop playing. But hey guys, that concludes my review. As you can see, I got my hands full over here. I got my little guys over here. A lot going on right now. So this is your boy C-Spec Kurt. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Share. Hey, up and coming YouTuber. I'm trying to get it, guys. I'm trying to bring you some content on a regular basis, and I'm gonna keep bringing it. If you can just keep bringing me some subscribers, help put my video out there. Share the video. If you like something about it, share it. If you thought something was funny or you didn't like it, share it and laugh at me. Allow everybody else the opportunity to get a laugh, and how selfish of you not to allow others the opportunity of seeing this, okay? Anyway, this is your boy Kurt. I'm gonna finish this up. You know, I got a little sippy sip left. Just like that. It's gone and I'm gone. Peace.